Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about the best booking plugin for WordPress website. Here you can see this one is my demo website, and now let me log in. You can add /wp-admin to log in into your WordPress website. Here you can add username and password. Also you can log in with email and password. So now we need to install a plugin. Here you can go and search for Amelia booking plugin. This one is the official website where you can get this plugin. And here you can check all of the features. So now I have this plugin. Let me upload that file, select it, and then here let me go. Here I have a plugin zip file, this one. Let me right click and then click on properties. Here you can see .zip format. So let me upload this zip file. So first of all we need to create the employees. So let me go back here. Then click here employee, and here I can give a name, for example Alina makeup artist. Here we can add the Gmail, and then we can add the profile image, then add the contact number, then here we can add the badge, then select the time zone, then panel password. After that here we can add some description, then click here save button, this one. So again we can edit this one, then click here edit employee. Here we can select the service, but we have not created any service. Here we can select the working hours. So this one is available on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For example, I want to enable only Monday and Tuesday. So let me turn off this one, then this one. Okay, after that here you can select the time, click here, then edit. Here you can select the time 9 AM to 5 PM. You can also change from here. Then here we can select the services, then select the locations. So we also have the locations tab. Here we can add different locations on this page. Okay, just you need to go and click here to add the location. So now we have created one employee. So after that here you can add the days off, then you can add the special days. For example, this one you can add any of the date from here. After that click here save. Okay, that's great. Now we need to go again catalog, and now we can create the service. So still we don't have any service here. I can type makeup service. Here you can add the color, then select the category, then select the employee. So this one is makeup artist Alina. Then we can enable this option, that is recommended. So after that if you want to limit appointments per customer, then you can do that. After that here you can add some description about this service. So after that here you can add pricing and duration. For example, let me add here 100, then duration 1 hour, Here you can add the buffer time, then you can add the capacity, minimum, maximum, then you can also enable pricing by duration. For example, if someone want to take your service for the 2 hours, then you can select here and then add the price. So these are all of the options, and this one is very useful plugin that have amazing features. Here you can add the gallery images. So after that, here you can select the some settings. After that, save. So we have created one service, one employee. Now let's see how we can add this one into a page. Okay, now we need to create a booking page. Here I can give a name, booking services, and then here you can search for this one, Amelia. So let me select the first one. This one is the shortcode, you can add that anywhere. After that, click here publish. Okay, now we can view this page. Here you can see that looks fine. So for the April, only 2 dates are available. So let me select for the May. So Monday and Tuesday, these are the dates. Let me select this one, the next month, June. So these are the dates that are enabled. For example, let me select this one. Then here we can select the time and then scroll down, continue. Okay, after that, here you can add your detail. Then after that, the final step is payment. So for example, if we have here multiple services and multiple employees, how we can do that? Again, let me go back to the catalog and add the new service. Click here plus button and then add one more service here, cut. Then again you can create the categories for services. After that, here we need to add the employee. So we can also use that same employee. We can create one more employee for different services. So after that, for the recurring, this one, pricing, this one 200, duration 30 minutes. So again we can go in settings. So after that, click here save. So now we have created 2 services and we have 1 employee. So let me go back to the employees page. And after that, open it, then edit the employee, then select the services, default. Here you can see, make sure that you have selected all of the services that this employee is offering. So for example, if I want to turn all of the days off, then add these special days. For example, I want to add, so this one is for the May. Let me select this one 30. So I have selected only this day from (7 a.m.) scroll down. Okay, this one 12 p.m. After that, here you can select the services. For example, select this one, again this one. So we have selected all of the services. then you can select the location, then click save button. We need to select the service, this one, haircut available for the 200, makeup service 100. So let me select this one, then click continue button, and after that here you can see we have selected only this day, so that looks fine. After that, for the payment, how you can do that, again let me go back and then select this one, features and integration. Here you can see all of the features, and then we can go back to the integration. So what you can integrate for this plugin, PayPal, WooCommerce, Stripe. So this one is very useful and advanced plugin to create any type of booking as well as different appointments and many more. So let's do this one, enable PayPal, then select this one, setup. So after that, scroll down, make sure that you have turned off this one on site, then enable this one, PayPal. Then you can add the different API keys here, so live ID, live secret. You can also enable test mode. Okay, make sure that you have disabled this one, then after that click here save.